welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk through how to apply a temporary short-term work visa to Austria. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply for a visa, you should always check requirements as per your location, your nationality, purpose and duration, because based on various such factors you may find a different process altogether than other region, or you may not even need. So for example, let's say you are a citizen of India living in New Delhi and you have no relative out of India in UK or European countries and all, and you want to apply a work visa, short-term work visa to Austria. Okay, so Austria is part of a Schengen country, right? So what I have done, I have opened the website of Austrian Embassy in New Delhi. So if you go under visa, they have like visa for taking temporary work. Okay, and in order to get through this, you should have positive outcome from AMS, Public Employment Service Austria. Okay, so this is about labor market opinion, you can say, when it comes to Canada. Similar thing is over there. All right, when it comes to apply for the visa, they have outsourced it to VFS in this location. That is why I always say, always check as per your location. So this is the site of VFS. If I go for visa information, here I'll go for short term. If I select, work visa overview, work not more than 90 days up to 3 months. Okay. AMS is required. All right. Visa fee 80 euros and its conversion is given in INR. And there is some service charge of VFS also. And based on that, you can plan how much you need. Most important thing is what are the documents required. So let's go through the documents. So this is for work purpose, application form, passport, okay, photograph, standards will go through, valid permit to return if applicable, like if you're not an Indian and living in India and you're applied through this, round trip flight reservation, proof of accommodation, of course, travel medical insurance, 30,000 euro. This I have always seen in all European countries. Proof of occupation if you're employed, employment information if you are self-employed, this retired people, proof of enrollment registration if you're a student. Sufficient funds, original bank statement last 3 months or other available funds, income tax return for last 3 years. So this is a way you see from India because in India people get ITR. So that is what we see over here. Permission by Austrian Labor Market Authority, AMS. Okay, to be obtained by Austrian employer. This will be obtained by your employer. Letter of support from Austrian employer or copy of work contract. Okay. Passport. Okay. Contact details of the applicant. Perfect. Now what next? Photo specification. Okay. Processing time 15 days. Now it may take even longer because sometimes there are cases where they may ask for additional documents, but they're rare documents interview, and it may take more time in some unavoidable circumstances. Form. So Schengen visa application form. There are some other also. Okay. So we'll go through one by one of them. The photo here, this area don't need to touch. This in German and English both, so no need to worry about. Surname, first name, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth, the current nationality, nationality at birth, if different, other nationalities. It's not possible if you're India because India does not allow dual citizenship. Your gender, your marital status, your parental third is a minor legal guardian surname, yeah, if applicable. National information if available. Type of passport. I'm sorry. Passport type. Passport information number details. Family member. If family member is EU, EA or Switzerland citizen or UK national. That's what I discussed at the beginning. Date of birth. Okay, there. All right. Applicant home address and email address, phone number. It's very simple. I don't have to walk you through the whole form. Now here, purpose of the journey. Here you got to be very careful, study, other. I'll go for other because I don't see work here. And again, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Name, member state of main destination, first entry, number of entries requested, and accommodation information and how you're going to support yourself, funds information, and then date sign. Okay. What is the document? Declaration and undertaking, visa declaration. Okay, fine. Very simple form. Disclaimer. Okay, this looks like a VFS form altogether. Consent form. Again, this is kind of okay, fine. So we got it. How to apply. So I hope you're gonna like this video. Make sure give it like, subscribe, and share. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.